Good afternoon. My name is Cécile du Montcel. I'm HP Data Science Business Development Manager for Europe. And I've heard a lot of great presentation today. I'm super excited to be part of the event. So many applications for AI technology. It's literally everywhere. To start with, let me share some words on HP and data science. HP was founded more than 80 years ago by two passionate engineers to develop new technologies. Innovation is in our DNA since then, and we see data science as the major revolution to come. So that's the reason why our top priority is to develop workstation solution, GPU accelerated, to support the transition of data science to the edge. So today I'd like to present you some very interesting use case showing the possibilities at the edge and how the world's largest airline improved productivity with GPU accelerated workstation. We are living a shift of technology. The major trend of the past decade has been migration to cloud, to such an extent that modern approaches to build and run applications are now described as cloud native. But, and there is always a but, for businesses that want to stay ahead of the data race, centralizing everything inside massive cloud data centers is becoming limiting. We are at a game-changing point where, in a world of emerging technology, 5G is coming, IoT devices are deployed, the data volume is exploding. According to recent prediction, volume of data will be multiplied by 4 between now and 2025. 80% of the data being generated at the edge, it is trapped by limited IP bandwidth. If you consider, in addition, the cost that transmitting this data will represent in 2025, you will see that something needs to change. Let's do a simple estimation of the energy cost of all this data movement. If you consider that each gigabyte transmitted requires 5 kilowatts at 50 cents, the extrapolated cost to transmit all the generated data in 2025 will be more than what the world produced in 2017. Clearly, something will change. That's the reason we at HP believe that the future of data science is at the edge. Gartner, in a recent survey, expects that 75% of enterprise data will be processed outside of the cloud in 2025. And shifting intelligence to the point where data is created opens a new world of possibility. You can save time. First of all, clearly, the edge computing allows co-location, direct captures, and real-time analysis. You are also getting better bandwidth. With the GPU acceleration, it offers leading process to handle massive amount of data. Obviously, security and control. Co-location ensures safer data access. The cost, as I briefly mentioned, is you have no hidden cost or creeping costs. You exactly know what you would spend. And we estimated that the data science on a workstation GPU accelerated provides roughly 26K annual saving, and which make it roughly 8 months to break even versus a costly cloud solution. And the GPU acceleration also allows you to have rapid cleaning and thus creating higher accuracy in your insights. But let's go and have a look at the real concrete use case. We recently collaborated with NVIDIA and American Airline to help the company to better model the cargo shipments, improve weight distribution, and save fuel. Along with its passenger business, American Airlines runs air cargo services worldwide for customers and businesses. These shipments play an important role in keeping the world supplied with essentials, so the company works hard to make sure goods are transported as efficiently as possible. And they used AI to be more efficient and more cost-effective in this very important process. So to start with, let's have a look at the problem they have to fix, the no-show package problem. Unlike passenger flights, which are often booked and paid for months in advance, cargo shipments are typically booked just 10 days before the planned departure, and customers don't have to pay until they drop off their shipments. American Airlines receives thousands of shipments a day and uses detail from the bookings to plan the layout of cargo holds. But the logistics of cargo management are especially complex, since some unknown number of bookings will never turn up. If a shipment doesn't show up on the day of departure, there is no time to replan the layout or resell the space. This means that the configuration of the freight in the cargo hold is less optimal, which results in increased fuel burn to the trip. So they were looking for a solution that fixed the problem that the freight configuration is not optimized, and they have critical shipments needlessly turned away, costing them millions of dollars per year. Using Z8 Workstation powered by NVIDIA Quadro GPU, American Airlines data science team created a machine learning model that takes data from the customer booking and predicts the likelihood of whether the shipment will arrive or not. They used an open source GPU accelerated machine learning package and loaded it with 500K booking records, which is a whole year of data. Each record has about 20 features, and those were segmented into 100 sub-features. At the end, they end up with a model that helped them for no-show prediction, identification of customer at risk, and flight optimization. About now, so the new model, 3 days before its scheduled flights, American Airlines will run the detail of each booking through the model. When the results show a high prediction of shipment not arriving, the team reaches out to the customers and confirm whether or not they'll show up for the scheduled flight. Using machine learning to flag at-risk shipments allows cargo agents to focus on the booking at risk, and it saves them time, sparing the time they would have spent to call every single customer. With this model, they are saving millions of dollars by optimizing the freight, and they choose edge computing from HP Solution for its affordability and the performance that fits their needs. So HP proposed a large portfolio of GPU accelerated workstation powered by NVIDIA Quadro up to the RTX 8000. You can see here we have a set of tower workstation and mobile workstation. And of course, hardware is not the only thing that is important for data science, and we know that. So starting at the end of the year, we will propose Ubuntu 18.04 to install, as well as several preloaded utilities from the factory to help you to gain in productivity. We also know that the solution, nothing is black and white. So we offer an online cloud command line access for seamless interaction with the main cloud environment, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, to enable hybrid solution. You can use edge solution when you need, and you can switch to cloud if you need scalability for some particular point. If you're interested to test, we have a data science demo program that allows free loan of one workstation equipped with RTX GPU and software stack. You can also get insights and dialogues with our team to best build the perfect configuration for your business needs. And this program has a custom duration from 8 to 12 weeks. So if you're interested, feel free to come and contact us. We will be present at the booth for the 2 days of the session. At the conclusion, we believe as HP that the future of AI is hybrid, edge and cloud. Edge becoming more and more important over the years. Processing at the edge cuts cost by reducing costs associated with the network traffic and the latency. We see a noticeable shift in trend from pure cloud to hybrid strategy, and analytics at the edge is vital where rapid response is required. With this, I thank you for your attendance and invite you to meet us in the demo area. You will be able to download all the information on our portfolio, details on the American Airline cases in the HP booth in the application. Thank you again and have a nice afternoon. Bye.